English Class Planner. Subject: What is a lesson? Objective: Thought activity that the student understand the concept of a lesson in the connect speech. Activity: Student will report 10 players and read high voice word when identified a lesson in the pronunciation. Evaluation: Student will carry out two questions, one where a lesson appears in the pronunciation and another where a lesson is not appeared. Teacher Rosalba Romero. What is a lesson? Omitting word and more sound from a word phrase. Easy to pronounce, using casual formal speech, sound more smoother and more natural. Example pronunciation. Formal speech. The hands-on movie star acts in a film about friends is between a father and son. Casual speech. The hands-on movie star acts in a film about friends between a father and son. Activity: Ambivore explain what a lesson is. Maintain sentence and read there along where the lesson ruled applies. Evaluation: In a poster where a children is studying were reading in allow the test the technique the lesson. Thank you students very much.